Hello, good morning. Good morning, all. My voice is audible to you? Yes. Yeah. Okay. So we start the session. Yesterday we have done the revision of the previous Sundays, right? Uh, we have covered the for loop and if else condition. Today we are going to do about sets and dictionary. Okay. Hope you guys are there. So you have done the exercise and all, right? Have you done any exercise daily? 10 to 15 minutes of exercise is important for Python, right? Because this is an Python programming language. So if you are not putting a daily 10 to 15 minutes, then definitely it is very tough to understand next process, next programming languages are next programs as well. So hope so you guys are doing well. Can you guys add me to WhatsApp group that you guys have updated? I don't know actually WhatsApp group we have done. Before starting session, please tell me why classes are being conducted on Friday because of please administrative team, please give this answer to the Akash sir. So by learning Python and SQL, is it enough to work as an analyst in tech company? No, actually, you have to learn about Python as well as data science libraries, right? And after once you complete it, NumPy, Pandas library, scikit-learn libraries, then you should go for the SQL, and that is enough. After the SQL, that is enough as an analyst in a tech company. Okay, so see, whatever the questions that you have, we will conduct in next means after completion of this session. But we'll start this session with the sets and dictionary, and hope everyone is there. Shall we start? Okay. Friday session it is and conducted for all participants. Not an issue. Okay, let's please. The first step about sets, right? Today we are going to discuss about sets as well. So sets is an what? Sets are used for store the multiple items. So yesterday means we have seen the list as well as the tuples as. So these two things also we can say like array collections, right? So this point now we are going to discuss about sets. So now,
Hello,
set.
Abhay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for disturbing you in the session,
Yeah.
but Yang, it is not allowed to create in a WhatsApp group. Okay, so kindly please don't create any type of WhatsApp group. Hello, isn't my voice is audible right now?
Yeah.
So, sir, please tell the students not to create in a WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, please do not create a WhatsApp groups because if you have any questions and queries, then you can mail me directly because I have shared the mail ID, right? Please, training team, please share the mail IDs as well through
Yeah,
chat.
sure. I will just paste in the chat box.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start the session about sets. So you know that set is a third part of recollection. So he has some different behavior as well. So maybe if we are going to deploy, or we are going to set the syntax of sets, that is kind of like this. See, check out. If I'm taking the cities, so you can pass like a city is equals to, see, city is equals to, you have to just pass it down there, curly brackets. Okay, you have to define set in a curly brackets, and you just pass it down there, city names or country names. Okay, so I'm just taking instead of cities, I'll take a country like that. Okay, so I'll pass here India. I'll tell you I'll tell you about uh, definition of sets and all, but now I'm just passing down some cities, countries. Okay, Australia, UK, China. My spell is correct. China and USA and and suppose the I are there. Okay, so these are the yeah, this one. Thanks. Okay, so set. So we have to define a set like into the curly brackets. See here, the difference we got into list as well as tuple. That there we have seen a different, right? That is in first part that we have seen into list. List is defined into where? Into square brackets, and tuple defines into round brackets. So these two differences we got here. The point about sets, if I'm discussing, then it looks like an curly brackets like this. Okay, but what is the definition and what is the exactly meaning of this one? See, list, sorry, sets are unordered. Or, see what I'm saying? Unordered. It is an design does not allow, sorry, does not allow duplicate members. You can say items. Okay, I'll remove this one. Does not allow duplicate members. So what is the difference between that? See, it is an unordered. This is duplicate members not allowed. So what is the behavior of this one? Right? Unordered means unindexed. See, unindexed now. And if I want to print this one, see what I'm going to do. If I want to print this one, so what will happen? Okay, that is the important thing. Print on. Check out the sequence indexes. Is it ordered or unordered? It is indexed or unindexed. Means it is an unordered. No, we are. If once I execute this one, definitely sometimes Dubai will come first, China will. So his behavior, see the set's behavior is an unordered. Okay, it's not an alphabetically. If suppose if you discuss about alphabetically, Dubai's D and C, C comes under the second. Got it? So it is kind of just putting an unordered list, randomly taking. Well, right. So if suppose if you are taking, if you are thinking about we can access the something, or we can add the some duplicate members, we are going to do a add and remove parts as well. The function be related with the sets. But the point is that the behavior of sets, it is an unordered, unindexed, and it is not allows duplicate members. If you print again, yes, 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 I will do that one also. Print form. Check out. It looks like it's same, right? But you know what? If I do restart and run all once again, see what happens. Check out. Once again, he is taking in a random manner. Is it? Are you getting my point? Is this one? So this is the difference. Means the difference between the other collections and this one. Why? Because this is in sets has an the property of unordered and unindexed. But it's okay, not an issue. When I want to access something through the sets, what will happen? Let's check out. Okay, if I want to access, okay, see, I think this one is used for the OTP systems. The OTP randomly pick up OTP, or suppose any random people's collection. We want to go for that. Are you getting my point? That is the one of the best example, OTP, right? And the next thing is that what happens if there is a duplicate? Yeah, I will tell you that one also. If I am going to add something like duplicates, and definitely I'm going to add this one, comma and double quote. I'll add UK, okay, and let's print it down there. Com, check out. UK comes only one time. Why? Because here duplicate members are not allowed. Are you getting my point here? Okay. So this is the behavior of this sets. If you compared with the other array collections about list and tuple, then definitely it makes a sense of three of our different list. Also, the list allows duplicate members, tuple allows duplicate members, but sets does not allow. List is able to change the values, update the values, but tuple does not allow us to change, but sets allows the changes. Means just think on it. This is the difference. And in the internet, sorry, in the interviews, definitely you will get us questions on the basis of this sets, tuples, and dictionaries. Okay. So is this class after one question I'm looking after for loop, or there was anything new learned yesterday? No, this is new. This is a fresh class after Sunday, last Sunday. Yesterday we have taken only loops and conditional, if else condition, right? Okay, thank you. This is a fresh. Okay, so let's go and access some points about sets. If suppose if I want to access print into the bracket con into the bracket, if I'm passing 0, see what I'm saying here. Con is equals to means con 0 index. If I print this one, say, see what happens here. Set object does not substitute. Why this is giving us this kind of answer? Anyone? Anyone? Why this is happening? Unindexed, right? So we cannot get that value. So why, if suppose if you discuss about list and tuple, then definitely you can get, because that is an ordered and indexed, right? So we cannot say like that China is into the 4th position, USA into the 5th position, India is into 0th index, like that, right? So this is the difference. But now you are thinking about how can I get into the index, right? How can I get into? Because if you want to access about Australia or UK, so there isn't some kind of difference. No? Means there isn't some kind of way we can get into the proper manner. So what is the way that we can get? That is into a for loop. Is it correct? Can we get into the right direction with the for loop? Right? When are we going to get assignment on the previous classes? I think yesterday I have shared some problem statement. You all, right? And if suppose any if you want another one, or if you want more questions on it, for yesterday session I have shared, I will share the file as well, no worry. See, if you have any questions on this topic, then we can discuss now. If you want, if you have another questions not including this topic, we will discuss about end of this session. Yes, it's good, right? Because else it's stuck in between that, in middle of this class. Okay, let's go for that. If I put for loop, then what will happen? That is the important say. Let's go for that. For x in, if suppose if I'm passing like a con, and if I put here poolan, you know that you know that for loop will help you to get all the data into X. Is it correct? Right? Check out USA, China, India, Australia, Dubai, UK. We are getting into the proper manner, but it's not like an this is an indexed. It's not like a this is an index. Can anybody tell me about what is the exact meaning of for loop? Why to use for loop? Anybody? Anybody message me into chat. No problem. Why to use for loop? Because we have taken so many times this. Multiple iterations, multiple repetitions and all, right? Suppose some conditions, some statement we want to execute multiple times, right? That time we can use the for loop. So in the mean, if you discuss about the for loop, if I pass something like this one, check out what will happen here. For x in con, okay, and once again, see what I'm doing. Once again, I'm just copying this one and putting down into upper side of this, okay, con, and print. I'll do once again this one. After you finish, can you also define set? Yeah, once again. Yes, I will tell you definitely. No problem. But one question I would like to ask you all: are you getting the difference between this set and other array collections like a list and tuple? Yes or no? Because do not get confused in between in your mind, because if you get confused, then definitely the process are every process is the same, but everything isn't different. Process is the same, but behavior is a different. Okay. So once again, I'm just putting execution. Check out. So USA, China, India, Australia, Dubai. See what the difference we got here. That is an one. If I'm doing same with the same variable, you are getting the same answer. Why? Because you are assigning a con execution of con same, and if I'm putting a con once again here, you are having the same process, same indexing here. But if suppose if I'm taking this one copy, putting down here, and I'll change with the con one because variable is changed, right? Variable is changed. If I do once again for y, you know why we can take any variable name here. For y in con one colon, and you can pass here y. Okay, check out all the contents are same, but the variable isn't different. Just check out what happens here. You are having same content. You are having same. So there is a not a difference between that, because the contents are same, but variable if you are changing, it doesn't matter. Right? It doesn't matter. It comes as same. But once you changing the sequence of your values properties, then definitely it becomes a changes in the output. Right? So hope so you got this point, but I would like to go some more tactical ways, means some more explanation in this factor, right? Why? Because if you discuss about see if you discuss about conditional concept, if I use for with the range 2 3 with the order change, yeah, I will try to pass the ranges as well. See for x in range, and suppose 1 to 1, sorry, 1 to suppose, see, I'm passing into range, so definitely you know that if I put here print con 1, okay, con 1 is a variable known, so this was, so let's check out. This is I'm doing some weird things here because I'm passing directly here this one. You're doing like this one, okay. So experiment is important, right? So let me know how many times this will execute. You got that one? Really? So if I execute, check out, you are getting same. See what I'm saying? You are getting same. It doesn't matter that you are how many times you are executing. But if I do like this one, restart. So behavior, kernel behavior is changes here now. Okay, restart. I'll do here restart and clear output. Okay. So once again, check out. Now China is into the first line. So randomly, so you guys are thinking about how it is going on. Means it is an alphabetic manner or something. No, this is completely going through the random manner. You can pick up the anything, right? So this is the difference we got here. See, another one interesting fact I would like to tell you. You can pass the see if x is equals to a u yes, okay. If right, and I'll pass here boolean. Let's do the execution and I'll print here I got AUS. So we cannot predict, right? See what I'm saying? It's randomly. It's not like on the basis of any order or something. He can pick up the random manner. Okay, so sets has an his behavior only, right? The second thing I would like to print, I'll put here X as well. Okay, see what is the major point here? We cannot predict like that the Australia will goes into the first attempt. We cannot predict like that China will goes into the first attempt because everything is different in unordered, right? So it's not like that we have to give the its complete constitution in this fact is in this program because just think about this is an unordered like this. Check out what will happen. Mhm. I got what happens. Something is even going wrong. I think I have done some wrong here. Wait. I have done a wrong implementation. See, I have to do like this one for x in con 1 colon. Okay, then con comes here if con x equals to UK. If he gets the con, then print. Hey, I got this. Okay, this one I'm taking just whatever my mind gets. There's some programs, so I'm not taking any predefined programs, so that is why I'm a little bit getting problem. Yeah, we got this one definitely. Can we get the answer here? Hey, I got this like that. Can we get this answer? Yes or no? Yeah, we got. So how I got this problem? Only one. Yeah, because I haven't passed their else condition. No? Is it? And your pass there no else condition. So if I pass their else condition, definitely I get some kind of string means answers for the India is not like that like that. So check out. I will pass here else condition. So this one else boolean like this one print. So I would like to just give like hey this is not okay. So I'll pass here X. I'll remove this one. Okay. Oof, you got this one. Check out. So China will goes into the X. China is like this one. China, Dubai, India, Australia. So when we pass the UK, when enters the UK, UK is equals to UK, then definitely I got the hey, I got this. But the point is that, see, if I make the kernel clear and output here, what will happen? That is the point. Check out. Are you getting the difference about sets? Yes. Check out the output. So next time, see, whenever you get into the interview sessions now, so check out how the sets are defined, means how the arrays are defined. If suppose if you are getting into the curly brackets, then definitely you just have to think on it. This is an sets. Getting into the square, that is a list. Getting into the suppose like that round bracket, then definitely it's like an tuple. Okay, these are the different behaviors that we have. But the point is now we are going to discuss about how to add a data into the sets. So that is the different, right? If it's array, yeah, if it's array, we are discussing about only arrays. That is it. No order in sets. Yeah, no order. We don't have orders. Index also. Ordering as well as indexing. We don't. Okay. So how do I add a data into a sets? Right. So many people are thinking about if this is an unordered, unindexed, then how can I add? See, guys, this is not a tuple. Tuples has some different behavior we cannot change. But if I am discussing about sets, then that is the part, right? Uh, that is the part. See, how do I pass the values? So this is one. See, I'm taking another one example to you guys. I'm just copying this one. Con one is there, and con one has some different countries. I'm going to add this one. Con one dot see add. So here we don't have an append. We have to add like this one. Con one add into, suppose if I want to add a Sri Lanka. Is my spell is correct? Sri Lanka. Okay. Sri Lanka. Okay. This one print and print on one. Check out Sri Lanka. Thanks. Sri Lanka. Check out every time when I change no that text as unordered and unindexed. Okay. Sri Lanka. Well, it takes the positive one first or see that's why I have taken that example in the first time. Sometimes program will be run, but don't give any of why this is happening. Check out the programs. If you are getting any program means error, then put it down that code into the chat. I will copy this chat and put it down in front of you all, so you will get same thing, right? So I can solve that one. So check out con India, Australia, UK, and what I have to do. I'm just thinking about add function. Add we can use for the no, we cannot use add into tuple. See the question, one question I got here. We cannot use add function in tuple. See, tuple behavior is a different note. What is the tuple that we have? What is the tuple meaning? Unchangeable, no? So how can you add? How can you remove? No, you cannot. Is it correct? Yes or no? So let's move for that. Actually, I have done the addition here about sets. Okay, and we cannot do. The one question I got here. If I put like this one, like con one, and suppose if I'm passing -1, you guys are thinking about this is looks like a negative indexing. Is it correct? But that's not incorrect. If I pass like in con 1 -1, and if I do like this one, just check out, this is the error we got here. Sets object is not successful. So are you getting my point? I think I don't know whose question here we have. Hope so. Yes. Here we don't have like a positive and negative index. Okay. So let's go for some other points. I'm taking some another example. We can do add addition with the for loop as well, because I would like to go for some more clarification in the sets, right? So if I want to add sorry, more contains into the sets, then what will do? So that time I have to use for loop, right? So I'll do here this one same. Okay, the for I would like to add a two um, new cities, new countries. Okay, so let's go for that. Mm, okay. And I would like to add range. Dennis, I will take that example. Just give me a second. I will execute this one. I will take that example. Okay, two times. Put it down there and just print it. Not on printing. Actually, I'm going to add so whatever the data will come, that will add two times. So I have to add. I have to do one thing. Can we take from the user? Is it yes or no? I would like to take this value from the user to add a data into the con one. Is it possible? Yes. See, A is equals to input. Put it down there. Enter the city names. Enter the sorry country names. And now, oh sorry, understand me, please. Okay, so this one con one dot. Now I have to pass here and A. Okay, so this one when I execute, definitely it will work as a two times. Why? Because the range value is in two. So range always starts from the zeroth element, ends with the one. Okay, let's go and execute this. I'll add here new Japan and South Korea. Okay. Why he's not showing? Okay, sorry, I have mentioned here print function. Japan and South Korea. Escape. Check out. We got in Japan, where this one, and South Korea here. But the point is that if I'm passing Japan two times in the way we are adding here into the for loop, no, through the for loop, and I would like to check with the Japan two times. So let's increase the size of this one, three. Okay, execute. I'm passing Japan here. Once again, I'm passing Japan here. See guys, he never added the two times Japan because duplicate not allows the behavior of sets. Are you getting a point this one? Not Korea, I'm just adding here. We can use sets to filter duplicates. Yeah, that's great actually. This sets we can use for that. Filter the duplicates. Why there is no error there? Wait, I will use this. Mhm. Where do you think about that, Danny sir? Means if I'm passing two times Japan, then you are thinking about it would be like a error, right? Yes, not like that actually, because if you are adding more than two times any value, then the sets viewer is an duplicate not allows. No, so he will not throw any kind of error. He will say there's just I will take a one of them. Okay, like this. So here your code is there. So this is from the Danny. So con is equals to a b c d and con dot add e. Okay, you are adding e here. You are adding once again e. You just go for the first check out this one. See, I'll change the some variable name because I have already con. That is why. Okay, con 2. So you guys are thinking about this one will store the 2 times. No, check out. E will take a 1 time. You got this one? Yes. If you had a new element in the sets, it checks automatically that if the new value is already present in the sets or it will, yes, yes, that's correct. He will always checks. He always checks. So check out. Hope you guys you are means thinking about this one. Means understanding the points and all. Are you getting all the contents whatever I'm just explaining here? So let's move for that because some more techniques we have to see here. See, we have another one thing that update function. Okay, you can add through the add function, and second thing we have update. Okay, so let's check out what is the work of update. If I'm taking like this one, I'll take this one. How to know is there duplicate members? So how can you say that? Means how can you say that there is an duplicate members? So he will not add no. If suppose there is an some already present values, then definitely you will get it. Then there is an value. Else, if suppose there is a list and you are adding something new, IDs are there, no? In the SQL, if you are thinking about SQL database, always every person's Abhay is there, then Abhay has an some ID. Amar is there, Amar is has an some ID. If I'm adding another one Abhay, then your columns behavior is it depends upon the columns behavior. No? If suppose you are passing primary key for the particular column, I'm telling about SQL because there this is an base point of we are discussing about the Python, right? We are working on the Python sets, but when you go for the SQL database and all that time we are not using here like a, whole data set in between the sets. You are not working like a sets. There is an every column has a different behavior, every column has a different data types, right? Are you getting a point? When we go for the multi-dimensional data sets, when we go for pandas, that time definitely I will tell you how this whole data set is working. Now we are working on this particular statements like in sets, tuples, list and all. Everything is behavior, every behavior is different, right? So let's go for that. So now if I'm going to add like a on one dot update. See here also we have different update is nothing like if suppose if I'm going to add something like suppose Japan. Okay, Japan we don't have that Japan and print on one. So here we are not mentioning any kind of indexes because we cannot pass the indexes here. Check out what happens. Okay, actually I have done some mistake here. Actually, if I want to add something here, I have done some little mistake. With the update, we can update the new set. How? Actually, I have done one mistake. See, with the update, we can with what we can do. Mm. Okay, I'm just taking the chin. Thanks for this. When I teach, no, that time I just forget the city names. So I'm taking the shortcuts. Okay, chin. Okay, so this one, city and pawn. Now I can update these cities, is all these cities into the pawn mode. So you can use this update function for the adding the multiple items, or you can say adding the one different sets into the another set. It's kind of concatenating, right? So concatenating also is what's same city. Check out what happens. The Pune, Mumbai, MK, KB, Chennai's are present already into cities. Now they are present into the pawn one. See, but you guys are thinking about it's kind of Pune, Mumbai is in proper manner like indexed. No, actually it comes into the unordered completely. Is it correct, guys? Yes. So let's just now Japan adding this five different positions. Actually, it is taking as a string because updates has a behavior like he updates the complete sets no. So he has taken as a string, though every character as a taking as a differently. I got that point. Array instead of the words. Yeah. So new value will be the random merged. Yeah, that is he actually taken as a randomly. You got the point, Raul? Okay. So if I want to remove something, see guys, I'm discussing about this. If I want to remove something, what will happen? What I have to use here? What do you think? If I use this one, pawn is there, and suppose pawn one dot. If I pass pop, what is the behavior of pop? Is it he will remove the particular thing about that? What do you think? Pawn one. Definitely, I will take an example. This one, Francis sir. Definitely. Just a 1 minute. I will cover up this one and I will go through that. Which one? Which one is gone here? See what I have done here. I have added already UK, right? So you guys are definitely getting stuck in between that. The UK is between that middle of the point of sets. Even also UK has a last point, and UK is gone. Both UK is gone. Why? Because you know what I have did here. I have added the duplicate members UK two UKs, so that is why we are getting here. So if I execute this one, then definitely he will take a one UK as well. Check out on one. Check out. He will take a only one. If I use this set for the pop function, what will happen? Okay, so I'll change the position of UK here. I'll change the position of UK here. Now the exact UK is in between this one. Okay, so don't get confused about this one. On one dot pop. Pop already we have seen where hmm, tuple list is correct. We never used um, pop into tuple. Tuple has a behavior of we did not remove any kind of it's unchangeable. Okay, let's execute this one. Who is gone? UK. How it is possible? If I change this one kernel with the, suppose if I do like this, clear output. See what I'm doing, clear output. I'm starting kernel once again. Okay, I'm starting restarting the kernel. Okay, restarting. So now check out. Who is gone? Can anybody? China. So what is the meaning of now this one? Randomly, right? So do not say like into the interview sessions the pop will remove on the basis of alphabets or something. You just say that this is an randomly pick up the date, randomly pick up the items and he will remove. Okay, basic OD pop is nothing but removing the purpose we can use. But for everyone, because properties of arrays we have differently. So the way of properties are there of every arrays. That's the way pop works. If suppose if you are using this pop into a list, then definitely he will remove the last element. The pop, if you are using the tuple, pop tuple does not have changeable property. When you go for the this one means sets, then he will remove the randomly as well. So everyone has a different behavior. Pop is not a function to be used. Yeah, it is a function. This is a function you can use, right? But I will discuss about another one thing. Wait, because I don't want to confuse you all. That is why I'm just thinking about this. And you know what? You have to draw a chart of this array behaviors, means array collections. The first one is list, tuple, and sets. Why you have to draw this line? Because what is the reason of append does not work with the sets? Because append is not. See, every array, sets, and list has their own like append means own functions, right? See, if I'm using append function, it is into the sets, then sets has an unordered and unindexed. Append's behavior is, and what is the append behavior? He puts into the last position. But if suppose if I'm using append into the sets, then he never find out the last position. How did he find out the who is into the last position? Because everything is randomly. Are you getting? If you don't know the index of last position, that is why you never pass the values. That is the, I think my answer is correct. Maybe you, if you got this point. I'll take one more question that I got from the person. Who is that? If if else is the only way to access it. But that is an also I say annulled. See how I take this one. I'll copy the point. If I pass it down there and check out the point I'm taking. If else condition no, so you guys are thinking about this one also. The for loop and x in on one colon. I'll take this bit. If x equals to suppose au yes okay, this one is correct maybe. And if x is equals to AUS. Now let's do one thing. If I got Astoria, I will add yes Priyank, I will use that. Just give me a second, so I will execute this one and I will come up to you. Okay, if x is equals to OUS, definitely I will add some values. Okay, so let's check out how it works. Print no, actually um, I'll do adding, right? Add con one dot add double quote. I would like to add more, so that is why I'm just taking city name. So I'll add. We don't have Japan here, so I'll add Japan. Okay, Japan. But with that, I would like to pop one city, right? One country name. So can you give me the chance to remove this one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Just the last one. Okay, AUS is there. USA is there. I will remove the USA. I will try to remove this one. Okay, but it's not possible, right? So con one dot pop. Let's check out. If suppose he removes the USA, it's kind of randomly. It's not by me. Okay, print con one. In case, if in case he removes, else this is not USA. Okay. Hope you got this point. What I'm doing here. Let's execute this one. What we have done. India goes. I don't know who is. See, I would like to check who enters into the loop first, right? So that I have to add the print function here. So let's check out what will happen. I would like to check who is entered into the loop. Print. I am here like this. I'll just put it on the one string here. I'm here like X. Okay. So who is entered into the X node? This print function will show you. Let's go for that. Okay. First enters China. This is not in USA. Okay. So once China enters no, this condition is not satisfied. Second time, who enters? AUS enters, means Australia enters. So definitely, when Australia enters, no, what are the process will happen here? Con dot add Japan. Japan is going to add here. See what happens here. Japan is going to add, but when I use simultaneously con dot pop, Japan he removed. He removed Japan. He added as well as he removed. No, it's not like that. He's going to add. He's never added. Are you getting some points here? Added then removed. See guys. So as it is a little bit a tricky one. You guys are having this concentration in screen, then definitely you got this point. But do one thing we are doing interesting here. Wait, wait, uh, wait. HD, yeah. Definitely, you guys are concentrating on your chats, then definitely we get stuck in between. Your confusion is going on. So definitely, wait. I will do one thing. Print. I'll do one thing before pop function. Yes, I think this one will help us about who is into the on one. Yes or no? Got it? So you guys have to do like this code because the presence of mind of your this is important. Print. I will pass here con one. Okay, let's do this one. I'll pass here after. Okay, after pop and okay, after pop. Okay, let's do and let's go for the execution. And you know what? Actually, better to add this one. I will just make a scrambled manner. Okay, I'll do one thing here. I'll pass. I'll pass some cities. Okay, Chennai and Pune, New York. Here I will add China. Then I will add something like Hyderabad. Sorry, Hyderabad. Okay, this is kind of new one, guys. So you have to just concentrate on this. China, Hyderabad. Let's go and execute. We don't have Australia here. I'll put the randomly manner. AU. Okay. So whenever he got the Australia, then definitely he will do the all the process here. Okay. Let's go and execute. Error. Yeah, we got. Who is now here? I'm here, New York. See, New York randomly he's taking. New York on. This is not in USA like this one. Definitely he will take this answer. Okay. Then China goes into the for loop. I'm here. This one China, and now this is not an USA. Actually, I have done mistake here, printing purpose, but don't worry. Once AUS is here, yes, x is equals to AUS. Then before pop function, see, Japan is going to add into the con one. Okay, so let's check out Japan is present or not. Yeah, we got here Japan. Till now, you are getting this point. What is going on here? Yes, it's all random. Yeah, no logic. Actually, logic is only random. You cannot say like that. This is there is a mathematical equation. It's kind of this. No, it's kind of random. Okay, and con one dot pop. See here, pop is who is going to remove this one? Who is gone? Maybe someone who is gone. Maybe New York is. Yeah, New York is gone. Actually, for this purpose also, I would like to do one thing. Means I would like to check that who is gone into the change the Japan as a New York. Okay. Yeah, I will do one small set here. Okay. The three uh, values are present here. I'll do one thing. Chennai. Okay, we are going to add Japan. This is not a Chennai. Okay. I think I would like to check who is gone here so that pop value, pop item, pop item. So definitely I will check means who is going to gone here means who is going to removed here that will be stored into the pop item and that will be printed by me here. Check out. I'm going to add okay, this is removed. Okay, this is removed. I think hope you got this one, this code. Yes. Can I execute this one? You got the point. Check out the Chennai is gone into the X. I'm here, Chennai. Before pop function, Japan is going to add, no? So Japan present into the first one. So before pop function, and then pop item. See, pop item is equals to con one dot pop. Print. Hey, this is removed. Who is removed here? Japan is removed. Okay, Japan is removed, and after pop function, on one, this one, after pop function, this one. Yes, this one, Japan is added and removed. So you guys are thinking about Japan is into the first point, that is why he removed. Is it possible? No, no, because this is a completely randomly. Yes, got it. Do not give any answer like statically, like he will remove first one, he will remove second one. Don't go like this. This is completely random. Okay, your interviews are most important. Hope you got this point. And I'll do one thing, because we have discussed about looping structures as well as the if else condition, right? So I would like to go more some little bit complex things and some methods as well. But now I will do one more example about removing. See, one interesting fact that we have about sets to remove. Here we have two another removing items from sets to another points to another functions. So which one? That is on discard as well as the remove. So hope so you guys are there, and go for that example. Okay, I'm using here remove and discard. Okay, these tools are there. So we are going to discuss about this one also. You introduce the pop item when error came. Is it part of curriculum, or we get to know if only error comes? I'm not getting what you have said. Actually, that is not an function. That is a variable. Okay, if you want to talk, you can mute it. Some functions are introduced only if error comes. No, no, that is not a function actually.
But my question was like, if some error comes, some like code like this pop item is introduced, like, but unless like the error doesn't come, we may not be familiar. Like, so, like, can we have a list of such like code like pop item, which may be given separately, and what is that? What is the functionality of the code? For example, like now pop item, like unless this error was there, you might not have teached us.
See, actually, what is there? Pop item is a variable. This is not a function first. Okay. So if I why I have introduced this one? If suppose if you want to store that values, or if suppose if I'm using this one, where there suppose here also, if I change the items with the pop items like that, or you can pass anything, this has become a variable, no?
Yeah, I agree. Like only things like if the error didn't came, like we may not have got this kind of variable like
Okay, this
introduced.
is a
So
tricks
like,
actually.
can you give a list of such variables like which we can use in future?
Yeah, I will actually. I'm giving you the functions. Means these are pop function and all. Actually,
Yeah.
these are nothing but some tricks and techniques. That comes when something Sometimes if I get some problems, or sometimes if I in my mind you have to do like this one, definitely. Actually, this is not part of curriculum like this. When sometimes we go for the coding, that time just heard about this. Ah, you can do like this one. Okay,
Okay.
like that. So don't worry. Whenever I have some this kind of tricks and some techniques, I will share with you. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Pop item is used to store only. Yeah. Pop items. Yeah, I will use this one. Okay. Now I'm using some more discarding, means removing the items here. So let's go for that one. Okay. I'll use some different variables now. Names. Okay. Name is equals to curly brackets. So my name is equals to now. Okay. Powerful. Um, okay, this one is correct. Maybe please don't put um, okay, this one. Okay, this one is correct. So, short names I'm taking. Okay, so okay, this one. Okay, guys, these are our teams, like, okay, teammates, and just if I'm doing discard and remove that, what will happen now? Okay, and you know what, actually I'm doing here one thing. I'll pass here up in middle of that, and then put it down here first, the, okay, this one. And now check out what will happen. If see what is going on here, name dot remove. Okay, that is important now. Name dot remove, if I'm passing like this one and put it down there, like suppose, mm, if I pass like my name, okay, this one, and print name. Print, sorry, name. Okay, simultaneously I'm using one thing here. Simultaneously I'm using one thing. I'll add another one cell here, and instead of passing here remove, I will use discard. Okay, so everyone, please, just I would like to say one. Discard behavior is also same. Removes behavior also same. But there isn't some kind of difference in between that. Okay. So if I execute this one, just check out what will happen. Abhi isko why? Because particularly as a string I'm passing there. If I remove discard, there is also Abhay removes. But now just now check out what I'm going to do. Meena. Meena. Okay. Can you tell me Meena is present in our set? No. Right. We don't have. Now check out. See, I'm not adding here. I'm just removing. But Meena is not present into the name. So if I execute this one, check out. Error is an key error. That is a Meena. But if I do this one, discard, check out. It never throw any kind of error. So what is the meaning of this one? What is the exactly meaning of this one? Remove function throws the error when you don't have item in set, but discard never throws an error. Why? Because he don't have, means the discard behavior is an, if suppose that Meena is present into the set, then and then only he can remove. If you don't have that Meena into the, means that item into the sets, then he will not throw the error. He will just execute like this. Are you getting a point, everyone? Yes or no? Question I got from the Francis, how is this working without iteration? How can you identify a value with is not indexed? Yeah, you cannot identify the index without index. You have to just pass it down direct names. Directly names. We cannot do like this. It is an unordered no. If so, that is why they have given. That is why they have taken the list. If you want to go for the indexing purpose, you have the option list. If you don't want through the with the random manner, if you want random manner, then you have a choice for the sets. Which one? How is it getting deleted? These are the functions working for the discards and remove. You are passing something there. You are passing the items, and definitely it removes, right? Are you getting the difference between the remove function and discard? And interview questions, definitely they will ask what is the difference between remove and discard. I mean, without iteration, yeah. How can you remove the without iteration? See, you cannot get this sets with the indexed purpose, means indexed manner. You have to go through the see, not only the sets and list, or suppose if you go through the tuple, you have to pass it down there for loop, or suppose if else condition. For loop is purpose of for the iteration, right? That is the only way to explore the sets, but you cannot find out the particular position here. That is the difference we got here. Okay, so one thing that I would like to discuss with you, that is in joining the sets. Okay, joining the sets, that we have another one example that we have. Which one? Joining the sets, which example we have seen? Yes, example, that is an update. So now another one thing that we have here, that is an union. Okay, union function. So let's check out. Suppose if I have set A, okay, set A, okay, I'm taking C. It is not necessary go with always a variable names and simple man. Can do like this one also. Set A, and I'm passing like this one. A 1 2 3. Hello, names like that. I'm just taking the random names. Okay, mouse set underscore B. Okay. My name. See, I'm passing my name is like that, but that is a different strings are there. Is okay. Okay. This one. Hey, 1 2 3. Hello, mouse. My name is okay. Okay. Let's go for that. Set union. This is my variable. Okay. And I want to do one thing. Set underscore A dot union into the bracket set underscore B. Can we tell can please tell me about, if suppose if I'm adding set B into the set A, can we get the all the data in random manner or ordered manner? Sorry. Yeah, check out. Mouse, my 1 2 3. Hello. Okay, name that completely in the unordered manner. Okay, so you guys are thinking about that is comes under the, if you pass into the for loop and then he will come into the proper manner. no, whenever you execute, he will come out of as a different position. Okay, so always do one thing. Do one thing. I'm doing with the variable, but if you are doing like this one, see, if you do like this one, if I remove this point and put it down like a set underscore a, then he works like this one. Check out set a. Are you getting a point? This one, set b. What is going on here? See, I'm just printing this one. Okay, and you would like to, if you would like to, means if you are not taking any kind of variable here, then definitely he will not gets the any update. So you just pass it down there a, definitely check out, you will take as well. So always take out there a. Okay, a or any variable you have to, any variable. If it is all random, what purpose does index serve when it's used? Actually there is a not random manners, means always you will get on functions as well when you go for the numpy and pandas, that time also you will get in this kind of random functions. Randomly always takes an any kind of mix. You will on the basis of sometimes alphabet, sometimes values, sometimes anything randomly, it's complete. What is the difference between union and update? There is an not any difference between that union. See, here also we have done the same. Wait. Mm, we gotten some one difference here. Wait. A. Here we have AB. This here we have A. Okay. Just execute this one. Mm, see, with the update, you can pass set. You can directly take with this one. Is set one, he will update all the data here and set one directly. That is the difference I got. Actually, I forgot this one. I have to work on this. Okay. So update will work as a it completely takes with a single variable. So you can take here another one variable you have to take. This is the only syntax. Yeah, that is the only difference. Okay. Are you getting the point here? Everyone. This is the only syntax, but in the data. Actually, that is we executed. No, that is why we are getting same, because already set A and set B already executed. If you are taking in the different manner, set A B C, set B C kind of, and in the downside of the union, if you are taking set A B C D or set B C D A1, then definitely you will get a different outputs, because we are having same data. That is why we are having same output as well. So hope so you got this one. Okay. Now I would like to discuss with I will share the some functions as well. But now we are going to discuss with the dictionary. Okay. I will share some functions as well. You have to do like that. See, I'm going to share some functions. See, you have to use update, pop, remove, discard, and there we have like another one. Which one? Add. You can use clear function as well. Union. I'll tell you, clear function is you just pass it down there. It's not an, there is a very big thing. Okay. Just check out. Suppose Clear? Okay. So clear is used for the you can remove all the countries, all the items from the list. There we don't have any kind of random concept. Clearing all the data. Okay. So that is the difference we got. So now you can do the exercise on it. See, you can do the exercise on it daily. I think hope you got the set behavior. Everyone, see, we have done a lot of work here in sets. Maybe this is a first class on the sets, but when you go for the exercise daily, you have to work on it, right? Daily, because interview questions and all definitely you will get into the in any Python interviews. Definitely they will ask the questions on the sets, tuple, and list. Okay, another one we are using another one we are using, that is a dictionary. Okay, dictionaries. So dictionary is one of the kind of array collection. So here we are using another one thing, that is an he has and some different behaviors. Okay, let's check out. Let's check out. So defining dictionary, dictionary's behavior, or you can say dictionaries adding concept, removing concept also are different, right? Let's go for that. Let's dictionaries are key value, key and values pairs. Dictionaries are comes in key value pairs. Okay. Now this is an ordered. Okay. Sometimes just check out. Dictionaries are changeable. Changeable. It is an ordered. It is an ordered and does not allow duplicate items. Does not allow duplicate members and items. Okay. See, check out what is the difference we got here. It is an ordered, and you can say index as well. Okay, indexed as well, ordered and indexed, and does not allow duplicate members and items. But the point is that how to define this one? It defines into the curly brackets. So you guys are getting confused here. Sets also defines into the curly brackets. Dictionary also defines into the curly brackets. And what is the difference? See, guys, you can define into the curly brackets, but properties, that defining the syntax is a different of dictionary. So how can I define? See, if I pass the city name, okay, this is my variable equals to you can pass curly bracket. Now check out what will happen. I'm adding here city names, like suppose country name I will take here. Country name, suppose India. India has some city like Pune. Okay, comma. Check out what is going on. I said already this is an key and value pairs. See what I said, key and value pairs. So India is my key and Pune is my values. Okay, just check out. Still I never explained the whole thing, just concentrate. Now USA, this is my key, comma, sorry, not in comma, colon is compulsory. And now I'm passing here New York. Same like that. If I'm passing like suppose college, this is my key, and STUDE, students are my values. So what is the difference between that? Actually, every item has a key value pairs, key value, key value, key value. See, that is the difference in the dictionary. But you can print, you can define like this as well, or you can define like this. Like this. This is also a keys and values. Keys and values. Are you getting my point? If I execute this one, print, I'll give city 1, city 2. Okay. City 1, city. Okay, both way you can check out. Check out the sizes, means check out the syntaxes. India, Pune, USA, New York, college student. Are you getting my point? This how to define a dictionary. So the way dictionary, the way the name itself tells you the dictionary. What is the dictionary? Dictionary is nothing but, you can store the, if suppose New York City is there and New York City is having so many peoples are there. So you are adding many peoples, thousands of peoples under the New York cities. Similar kind of that. India having India means a key, and India having the multiple cities like that. Suppose if you are adding, if you want to add multiple cities into the India, so you can pass here list Pune, like Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, like that you can add here. But now we are not discussing about on this. I'm discussing about the dictionary only first. Then we go for the some experiment purpose, right? Are you getting the definition of this dictionary? Yes or no? Now let's we do one thing. We are going to we define, no, we have defined. So can we do the accessing and all? Because yes, like the words, the meaning that comes together. Yeah, actually that is why. But one thing that I would like to discuss with you, that is the way we are going to access the dictionary. Okay. Check out. Uh, mm, I'll take this one. You can take any one of them. It doesn't matter. I'll take this one. Okay, no problem. City 2. Okay. So let's check out how do I access the items. Okay. And we can do the explanation so as well. Tradition. Accessing purpose, we can do a lot of things, but yes. Print city 2. Oh. Is it possible if I'm passing like a 0? Check out. If I execute this one. See, we cannot do like this one, right? We cannot do like this one. You can pass yes for answer. You have done correct work. See, you can pass USA. Yeah, means you have to pass their keys. These are the keys. Keys are unique. Keys are unique means they're not should be like a same India in this keys. Are you getting my point? You cannot add a same items, unique items in a key area. So you guys are thinking about, is this possible with that? Yeah, check out. For this purpose, I'm just adding another one. India. Okay, India is an India, the upper side of India. First one is and last one is same, and I'm adding here. Why? Okay. See, the values are different, but keys are same. Okay, let's check out. Print city. I'll remove this one because I don't want to see this one first. I will check this India is same. That is why how it looks like when I execute. No, no. It is kind of, he will take only one of India. So he's picking up like this one. If I do like this, if I do another one, check out. Here I will pass Delhi. Okay, India, because key is and same, no, so that is why Delhi. Are you getting a point here? He's taking last one. Yeah, but in any case of duplication, he takes the last one. Latest last one in case he has a latest one like that. Okay, but this one has an behavior, right? This one. So see, print India. Okay, that's the INDIA. Okay, I'll put comment here. Delhi. Got the point. The last one, latest one he is taking. Yes. Are you getting the difference of dictionary? This is my keys. You can add the multiple values here. It allows duplicate. No. Uh, wait. Better to get another one. Better to get a confusion. I will take another one example. India. Hold on. Put it down there. Pune. Pune is into first. Pune is into last. So we already seen that he is taking the last one, right? But you guys are asking about duplicate allows or not. See, check out how is possible. Hmm. I'll do first this one. Okay. This one. What happens? Okay, sorry, mistake. Comma is removed. Which one he has taken? This last one, right? The way he previously worked. But never allowed duplicate members. Are you getting my point? Never allowed duplicate keys. Only keys. The keys purpose he is working. Do not take as a, if suppose if I'm passing like here Pune, college Pune, and Pune is present here also, Pune is present here also, and you guys are thinking this is taking differently. No, not like that. He allows this one. Why? Because keys, and we are thinking about only on key unique purpose. We have to take. We are not discussing about values. Values you can take duplicates. It doesn't matter. But key should be unique. Are you getting my point, everyone? The behavior, see, in the interview sessions definitely they will ask about, this is a tricky question sometime, but maybe if you are working with some exercises, no, definitely it get into your mind that this is working like this. But it's okay, no problem. I will print this one also. Check out Pune. So we have Pune as well, but he never say that this is in Pune. Key should be unique, value can be duplicate, yes. Okay, and print city India. So he gives us a one means last one. Okay, so let's go for some another one. Okay, and you know what, uh, we are fetching Pune, no? We are fetching Pune. So it's kind of tabular manner, multi-dimensional tabular manner. See, do you know that tab Excel file like that? Suppose it should be like an Excel file. Suppose India having some more cities, USA having some more cities, and this is kind of your headings. Are you getting a point? Is this a case sensitive? Yes. Check out. Are you getting point? This one. I have made a small India and big India like this. So before ending session, can you repeat the points based on? Yes, I will tell. Still confusing. Yes. Don't worry. The last 10 minutes I will go through that. Okay. Just a minute. Just a second. The question I am getting here, why Pune was not taken? Why Pune? Actually, this is, check out this one. Why not Mumbai? See, question. I got your point. This is an, see, this is an different keys, right? See, this one is India case sensitive. You are adding I, India. This is an India, but check out the spell. I is big, this I is small. Are you getting my point? And if you print India, then he definitely take the latest one, this one. Got it? Keys are different, no? Hope so you got this point. Okay. And see, it's not like that. Means I would like to do one thing here. See, AB is equals to city 2. I'll take a USA. Okay, just concentrate on that and print AB. What happens here? The city 2 has an USA, and that will be, means we are fetching no USA's values. So USA's values are New York, so that will be stored into the AB. That is why he's showing the AB. So you can do like this also. You can fetch, whenever I go downside of the program till now, so whenever I fetch the AB, definitely I will get that New York. So we are storing the values of USA into the AB. So whenever I fetch AB, definitely you will get a New York. Got it? The point here means how the values will be stored into the particular variables. The key value pairs. Got the point? Because if I'm not getting any answers, yes or no, chat box, I'm just thinking about you guys are getting some confusion. Better. Okay, let's go for, you got the point. Okay, so one more thing now. Let's do one thing, right? Let's, yeah, you can store the values in multiple values in a single key. Like you are saying like this one. You are saying like this one. See, if I'm passing here India, you are saying like this one. USA's data also into AB, India's data into the AB. Not like that. See, check out India's data. Who is into India's data? Delhi. So Delhi, he will say the first attempt he will print AB with the USA's New York, but you are adding AB is equals city to India. Then he will update that New York with the which one? Delhi. Got the point? Maybe you got the point. Yeah. So whenever I fetch the AB, definitely you will get an Delhi. Okay. So now check out the point. Okay. Suppose if I do x1 dot AB, not an AB actually. AB, I'm not taking AB. I'll take this one. Okay, city 2. Okay, three keys and three values are taking here. City 2 dot keys. City 2 dot keys. Okay, keys is my function. Keys is my function, and I have to take here equals to, sorry, x1 is equals to city2 dot keys. So can you tell me, anyone, please, what will be the answer when I print x1? I never said this answer, but I'm just guessing this one. You guys guess the answer, not an issue. Check out. Yeah, got the point. See, if I want Pune, New York, New York, Pune means this one, then also you can get VALUES values. Check out Pune, New York, Pune. India, Delhi, Mumbai. India, Delhi, Mumbai. Which one? India, Delhi. Actually, you are accessing on the basis of keys, on the basis of values, right? Are you getting a point here? On the basis of keys, on the basis of values. You cannot do like that. Means first keys and then values, keys and values like that. No. Got the point? Actually, today we have done a lot of points here, so I don't want to confuse you with the functions. And yes, actually the point is that, see, the accessing purpose, you can do keys and values at a one times. Yeah, you can do keys and values at a one times, not an issue. But for that purpose, you can do the for loops, right? Actually, you can do with this one also. Like this, city two. Check out. This one is in E0. You can get that one. Print city two. But if you want only keys, if you want only values, then what the point? Are you getting a point, everyone? Yeah. See, today I'm just repeating all the contents because today we have covered so many points, so many contents. So what I'm going to do, I'm just repeating all the contents here. Okay, repeating all the contents. Why? Because I don't want to go for the some more contents about dictionary. Tomorrow we are going to do some addition and removing contents and looping structure with the dictionary. And today this one is enough now, right? Can we get the values and keys with the any other function? No, actually keys and values are, we have, we can do the for loops as well, but today is enough for this one, right? Tomorrow I will definitely show you how do we get the keys and values with the looping structure, right? Are you getting, everyone? You got the today's session? Yeah, we can get. Session, can you repeat points? Yes, I'm repeating. See, the point is update and union. Union is there, no? Update and union, you got the issue here. See what I have explained. If suppose two of the sets we have, and one of the set you are updating into the set one, what will happen? One of the value will set one, set two is storing into set one, then you can get into same this one set A like this one. Okay, you can print it down, but here into union you cannot print set A. You have to store a variable, you have to take variable, then you can do the properties like this one. Are you getting my point? This point, you got the point, Rahul? So now see, we have done with the sets as well as the tuples. The sets behavior is an unordered, unindexed, and allows duplicate, does not allow duplicate members and items. Okay, some for loop iterations working we have done. Even for loops also he is getting into the random manner. Okay, and when we go about suppose update and add, see everyone has a different, because a add function also into the where we have into curly brackets. Here we have update function, right? Update different cities means different sets into the another set, that is okay, update. And now pop function you got that point because he is taking a randomly, okay, random manner. Even with the pop, we have seen that which one, remove and discard as well. And here also we have different approach about looping structure with the addition and with the pop function we have worked, right? And then we have seen some different programs as well, some operations. Here we have discard. Discard gives, what is the difference we got? Discard does not give the error when we don't have an item in list, sorry, in the set. But remove, if you don't have an item into the sets, definitely he will throw the error. Okay, that is the difference we got. Check out, Meena does not have here, so he will throw the error like here. Here he haven't thrown it. Okay. Here set A, B, union, right? Union we are taking into the another one variable. This one update union clear function, then we entered into where dictionaries. Dictionary is behavior has and key value pairs, keys and value pairs, and then we can successfully printed that both ways. You can do like this one, you can do like this one. Cities, cities, this one, right? This one, like this one is city2 dot keys, that is keys. If you want to fetch a keys here, you can definitely will get this one easy. Only keys, okay, India, USA, college, like this. If you go for the values, you will get a Pune, you have this one. And then we come up with the all the data printed like a city2. Tell me if you got the point, everyone. Today I'm going to share this file. Okay, I'm going to share this file, so definitely don't worry about it. And what is the what I got one function. You are passing a here into x and r here into y. If see you made one mistake, because you have to pass x and y, do not pass a and r. Are you getting a point here? You have to pass a variables to x and y. So what do you want to add here, PMM? That's it. This is your C. This one. There's a little mistake. You have to do some exercise on it. Okay. Yeah, it is closed. The session is going to close. We have to wrap up now, right? Akash, now session is closed, and we tomorrow definitely will see you. Okay, tomorrow we are going to work. Thank you so much. Today, don't go for. And today we don't have an exercise. You have to do these programs as well. But tomorrow, I will share that file, this one file, so it will helpful to you for the exercise. You can see these files, programs, and you do yourself that exercise. I will share this file, Francis sir. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for today's session. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow at same time. See you. Thank you.